Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here, and I'm so excited that you're back to read another story with me. This story that we're going to read today is called Recycle. Written and illustrated by Travis Schaefer. This story is going to tie to our weekly theme, Earth Day. Do you remember that we said Earth Day is this Wednesday, April 22nd? We talked about how Earth Day is all about taking care of planet Earth, the place that we live. We pick up litter, we plant new trees. Another way that you can help take care of Earth is by recycling. So let's learn a little bit more. This is Luke. Say hi, Luke. Luke helps take out the trash. He wants to recycle. What can Luke recycle? Do you have a recycling bin in your house? Are you the same as Luke? Do you know what you can recycle? Let's read to find out. Luke finds aluminum foil. I've got some aluminum foil right here. I'm sure you have this in your kitchen. Aluminum foil. Can Luke recycle aluminum foil? Yes. Sign yes, he can. So Luke's putting it in the recycling bin. Check. Aluminum foil can go in the recycling bin. Yes. Luke finds batteries. Battery. Can Luke recycle batteries? No, he can't. No, we can't recycle batteries. So I see a red X saying, no, Luke, you can't recycle the batteries. Luke finds a plastic container. Do you have plastic containers around your house? Can Luke recycle plastic containers? I see a check mark. Yes, he can recycle plastic. So the plastic container is going inside the recycling bin. Luke finds a light bulb. Can Luke recycle light bulbs? I see a red X. That means no. Luke cannot recycle the light bulb. Luke finds a paper bag. Can Luke recycle a paper bag? Yes, he can recycle a paper bag. I see our green check, and Luke's going to put it in the recycling bin. Yes, he can recycle paper. What is this fruit? Do you know what that's called? It's a banana. Luke finds a banana peel. Can he recycle the banana peel? No, we can't recycle banana peels. Luke finds a glass jar. Glass. Can he recycle the glass jar? Yes, he can recycle the glass jar. The glass jar is going to go in the recycling bin. Luke likes to recycle. It is important to recycle. It is also important to know what we can recycle. Do you remember everything we said that we can recycle? Do you think you can take the quiz below? Click the quiz link and see if you can remember what we can and cannot recycle. Let's see if you can help just like Luke did. Can you find things to recycle around your home? First take the quiz and then find things around your home to recycle. I know you can do it. Good luck, and I'll see you next time. Bye, kiddos.